there. It's a female. I think it's a long-tailed duck. Hi, baby. That was very rude. I was speaking to you. Oh my God.
Look at her. Look at her.
Is it though?
I don't know.
I mean, it looks like one.
Yeah.
And she's here in the fucking Delaware River.
Yeah, what the hell is she doing in here?
They're usually at like a Barnegat.
I thought they were only saltwater.
Yeah. Alright. There she is. Hi, baby. What you doing, babies? You're so cute.
I got her going down.
Hi, baby. What you doing, babies? Come on, you should come closer. There you are again.
Falcons?
There you are. Babies. Oh my God, you're so cute. Yes, you are.
Damn it.
You are so cute. Good. Oh. There, you little baby. Oh my goodness, they're so
here.
cute.
Come over here.
Come here, baby. Come closer so we can see you. Let's keep an eye on the Jeep.
That's why I turned and looked. Now they're not moving.
There's a baby. There she is. Come here, babies. She's like staying in the same exact
Yeah,
spot.
because the tide's...
Come on, baby.
Oh my God, look at that. That's fucking